welcome to this Bacon Bits video. Today, I want to talk about collecting the error level of the last run command inside of a script and then using that to control the logic flow of your, let's say, launcher script inside of Bacon. I like this video and this idea because there are many times inside the command interpreter, and I've discussed this in another Bacon Bit video as well, where the command interpreter is very good at making sure, for instance, that the processing does not stop unless it's a very large problem, let's say, with the interpreter itself, or specifically you have told the interpreter to stop. In this instance, there are scenarios. What we'll look at today are how to collect the error code of the last run command, and if it's a value that you don't like, you would be able to learn how to exit early instead of have the bat file continue to run. Say that it has run and report back success in Bacon even though what you intended to have happen failed. Now, Bacon is a what do I say? Bacon collects information from the command interpreter, and so when the command interpreter says my exit code is 0, Bacon says, okay, great, that was a success. If the command interpreter returns anything other than 0, Bacon goes, man, there's a fail. It's up to the command interpreter, and therefore it's up to the script itself to know when and how to return the proper exit codes. Now, if you leave it up to the command interpreter will just run through all of the lines in your script, and provided it doesn't break the command interpreter, your command interpreter will return success most likely. That's not good enough for us. So, what I'm going to show now is example code that shows you how to get the last error code in a command, the last one run, and then how to operate and maybe exit early from your script based on that. So this is a very, very simple script. Very simple notes up at the top. I include a URL where you can get some more information. This code will be available on our GitHub. You can see the link inside the YouTube comments or the description. First thing I'm going to do is change my directory to a C temp drive. I know personally on my computer I have that, so this should work. And if it does work, my error level, which is an environment variable, will equal 0. If success, I will report back echo success and the error level. Keep in mind, in case you don't know, anytime you run an echo command on a script, that goes straight back and is recorded in the Bacon job log. So all this decoration I'm putting up here, you will also see in the Bacon job log. And it's a feature of the product that I really like, and I pushed very hard to make sure it was in there. If I cannot change my directory to C temp, then instead of letting the interpreter decide whether or not it's going to fail for me, I'm just going to fail it early. Now report back echo fail code is this, and this little bit right here says echo, when I send this string of text, echo it to the standard error pipe, not standard out pipe. And I will exit early. Exit /B means exit and define your error code. Okay, and I'll do the exact same thing. I'm now going to change my directory to C temp bacon. Let's see if that works. And then change my directory to my Q drive /temp. I know I do not have a Q drive, so that is where I expect this to exit. And we are expecting this Bacon job to fail. And we're expecting it to fail because we are explicitly telling it to fail. If the error code of this last attempt is not 0, then we want it to fail. And here's the code. let me hide this overlay. Okay. Bacon error level and deploy. One of the nice things about the product is you can deploy single files. If you want to deploy a single file and you want it to execute, make sure you do click launcher, but you do not need to put a single file inside of a bundle before you can deploy. I'm a big fan of that one. You can even see that this file is in 0 bundles, and it's still going to work. You're baking me crazy, and let's go. Deploy. Let's look at the job logs. Okay, I'm going to pause this. This is going to take about a minute, and I'll be right back. Alright, about 1 minute later, here we are, we're back. Look at this. As expected, job failed. But let's go look at why. Does bacon tell us why? Absolutely. And because we successfully used error codes, because we successfully got the last error code and exited based on that, bacon shows error. And bacon says the system cannot find the drive specified fail code is 1. Now remember, that's our language. That's what we wrote into the script. And let me move this over so we can compare a little bit. So as you see right here, fail code is 1. And that's what we told it right here. Fail code is 1. Notice, and this is the important thing, and this is why, you know, this video is so important, is that as I attempted to change directory to a location that did not exist, the command interpreter did not automatically quit. It didn't say, oh, there's an error, I've now quit. It let me run the rest of my code, which was, let me get the last error level. Let me run logic against the last error level. That's exactly why it's so important to be able to get the last error code level and then do your logic operation. Did it work? No? Great, let's exit early, and let's, not only are we going to exit early, but let's provide a meaningful log back to Bacon. And that's what we did. I thank you so much for your time. I look forward to seeing you on the next Bacon Bits videos, and as you have requests for Bacon Bits videos, please let me know. Email me at techsupport@baconunlimited.com. Again, that's techsupport@baconunlimited.com, and let us know which Bacon Bit video you'd like to see next. Thank you so much, and you know what that sound means. Time for bacon.